JIAXING XINHAI Doors and Windows Accessories Company Limited was established in 2002, the former HAIYAN XINGHAI Plastic Factory, as a specialized manufacturer of a variety of types and styles of power weather stripping for doors and windows. Our products are applicable for sealing of doors and windows with excellent features like anti-wind, anti-dust, anti-noise, and rainproof. The enterprise always adheres to quality first, excellence, and customer satisfaction, focusing on development of more productive, more energy efficient, and more environmentally friendly products, and provide versatile solution for global partners within the solid doors and windows industry. Possessing more than 20 production lines, advanced machine and technical supporting, and 2,000 square meters factory premise, the daily production capacity can reach to 300,000 meters. Relying on superior quality and reasonable prices, we have set up a complete sales network throughout China, and our products have been selling well all over the world.